What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Today's video was requested by one of my guys who's dealing with something I think we can all relate to, especially those that are trying to elevate in life, whether it's spiritually, financially, physically, mentally. When you decide to elevate to a new status in life and you want to embark on a journey to better yourself, the saying is your new life is going to cost you your old one. And with that is going to come some new enemies and some new haters and some people that just can't prescribe to the fact that you've outgrown them, and you remind them of their failures in life. Your success kills them, so they go out of their way to actively try to sabotage you, badmouth you, whatever. But before you run up on them and put their lights out, which is very tempting to do, consider the source. I've never been bashed by somebody I would trade places with on any level, any of those categories, mentally, physically, spiritually, financially. I would not trade my position in life with theirs. So you know they're coming from a place of hate. Another thing that I always overlooked in the beginning that I now appreciate and realize through experience is that there's two seeds of equivalent benefit that come with that. Well, number one, I've gotten my best clients from my biggest haters. They send me people because they intrigue people with their stories. It's great advertising. And they actually wind up sending you people that you wind up having a better connection with than they did. And two, when the shit gets back to you from those people, you get motivated. I mean, you get a fire under you that you can't buy. It's great. It's amazing because it keeps me on my toes. So that if there is a situation that arises where you got to deal with them, you're already in a position of power because you already know what's coming. And you know where they're coming from. And it makes you, aware of what's going on around you at all times. It makes you realize, there are people out there that don't want to see you make it. So you got to stay on point. You got to be ready for that. So with that being said, realize that it's not a negative thing. It really is just something that comes with the territory. And if you want to be successful in life, you're going to lose people. You're going to move out of certain circles and into other circles. And that's part of the progression process. So I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till next time, we up out of here. Ow.